Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Kevin Tate. I am the Service and Inventory Manager with Donastar Enterprises. Today we will be going over the removal and cleaning of a Wunderbar Bargun Nozzle. And today we will be removing the nozzle from the Wunderbar Bargun assembly. You want to twist to the left, but sometimes you may have to wiggle it a couple of times. As you can see, it gets pretty built up with sugars from the syrup. So we got the nozzle removed. We'll let it soak in some cleaner and use a bristle brush to go ahead and scrub the inside of the nozzle to be sure you get all the buildup off of the inside of the nozzle, and you'll later on clean up the dry up the inside with a clean rag and the outside you can wipe that down as well with a rag. And then after you're done wiping down the nozzle, you'll want to just sit it aside and go ahead and clean the wand portion of the bar gun assembly where the nozzle attaches to. As you can see, it gets pretty built up with syrup and sugars from the product. So you want to spray that down with cleaner or sanitizer and then wipe it down good. Make sure the seals are in good condition. If they're not, you can go ahead and replace the seals if you have a replacement kit available. Just making sure that the inner portions of the nozzle assembly are cleaned and the holes are all clean, and then you can go ahead and reinstall your nozzle, wipe it down, and set it in place as it's ready to go. We thank you all for watching. Please reach out to us at www.donastar.com or 833-366-2782 to find out more about our water filtration systems and also for tech support.